So let's have a review of polynomials. So when you say polynomials, it is an algebraic expression consisting of the sum of the number of terms, each of which contains a constant and variables raised to a positive exponents. Okay, so here are the examples. So we have 2x plus 1, x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1, 5x raised to 4 minus 2x squared minus 3, then 4x raised to 10 minus 7, and more examples pa. So how will you say so if the given polynomials is not a polynomial? So, sorry. How will you say so if the given expression is a polynomials or not polynomials? So how will you say so if the expression are not polynomials? So if the expression is not polynomials, if, letter A, the exponents of the variable is negative. If the exponents of the variable, always the variable, not the numerical coefficient, okay? The variable. If the variable has a negative exponent, therefore, it is not a polynomials. For example, we have 2x raised to the negative 3 plus 4x squared. Next, letter B. The exponent of the variable is a fraction. If the variable has a fractional exponent, therefore, it is not a polynomial. For example, x raised to 2/3 minus 5. So, our exponent here is 2/3, which is a fraction. 4x raised to 1/2 plus 7. Our exponent here is a fraction. Is it clear? Variable again, not a numerical coefficient. Next, the denominator of the fraction is a variable. For example, 5 over x. So, your denominator is a variable, therefore, it is not a polynomials. Is it clear? Y squared all over x squared, it is not a polynomial because its denominator is a fraction. Bakit? Kaugnay ito dun sa letter A. Which is, pag inakyat mo yung x to dun sa tabi ni 5, magiging siyang x raised to the negative 1. So, magkakaroon siya ng negative exponent. Alright? So, this one is not a polynomials. And the last one, we have the variable has a radicals. So, dito naman, involved siya din sa letter B, yung merong fractional exponent. So, si fractional exponent can be expressed as a radicals. Is it clear? So, if the variable has a radicals, therefore, it is not a polynomial. For example, 7 square root of x plus 4 minus 4x cubed. So, yung x, meron kang radical sign. So, therefore, it is not a polynomial. Another example, negative 4 cube root of y squared minus 1. So, this one is not a polynomial kasi meron siyang radicals, cube root of y squared. Is it clear? Let's move to the types of polynomials according to the number of terms. So, we have here 4 types according to the number of terms. The first one is what you call monomial. When you say monomial with only one terms. Okay, isang term lang siya. Example, we have 3x, one term lang. We have here 3, one term lang. 7y, that is one term. Tawag sa kanya ay monomial, pag one term lang. Next tayo, we have what you call binomial. When you say binomial, it consists of 2 terms. For example, 3x minus 5. It is 2 terms. Meron 3x, mayroon minus 5. 2 terms. Next, 4y minus 7. We have 4y and negative 7. And then, x plus 1, we have x and positive 1. So, that is binomial. Dalawang term. Next, we have what you call trinomial. When you say trinomial, we have 3 terms. So, example, x squared plus 2x plus 1. We have x squared, 2x, and then 1. Next, 2x cubed minus 4x plus 5. We have 2x cubed, negative 4x, and then 5. Alright? Then, multinomial. So, multinomial with 4 or more terms naman. So, we have here x raised to 4. Sobra tayo. So, we have here x raised to 4 plus x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Again, we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial according to the number of terms. Right. So, let's move to the type of polynomials according to the highest degree. So, degree naman tayo. Kanina, we have the term. So, now, let us have the degree. Highest degree, pinakamataas na exponent. When you say degree, it means exponent. So, the first one, we have linear. So, the highest exponent or degree is 1. For example, x plus 5, y minus 1. Ang exponent lang ni x ay 1. Ang exponent lang ni y ay 1. So, ang titingnan mo dyan yung variable. Ano yung pinakamataas na exponent ni variable? Okay? Next tayo, 2, quadratic. Highest degree is 2. So, therefore, the highest exponent must be 2. Example, x squared plus x minus 2. 5y squared minus 6y. So, this one, ang pinakamataas na exponent niya ay 2. Same with this one. Ang exponent na pinakamataas is 2. Next tayo, let us have cubic. The highest exponent or degree is 3. So, for example, we have 5x cubed minus 4x squared. So, ano mas mataas na exponent? So, we have here 3. Ulit, ang titingnan natin ay si variable. Next, number 4. Quartic. The highest degree is 4. So, we have x raised to 4 minus 2x squared plus 5. Ang highest exponent niya is 4. Right? Next tayo, we have quintic. 5th degree. So, ang pinakamataas na exponent niya ay 5. Next, sa 6, sextic. So, we have 6th degree. And 7, we have septic. That is 7th degree. Yung pinakamataas na exponent. Uulitin ko, exponent ni variable ang titingnan. Kung sino ang pinakamataas. Then, these are the types of the highest degree. We have linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic, quintic, sextic, septic. Ma'am, paano pag umabot na ng 8, 9, 10? Kapag ganoon na, pwede nang ilagay nyo 8 degree. O, dito pa lang sa sa quintic, pwede na yun. 5th degree. Sa 6th degree. Okay? So, laging may TH lang. Pwede na yun. Sa 7th degree. Sunod, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on and so forth. Is it clear?